What if I told you there's a new kind of robot that is not here to take your job, but to make it better? Imagine a coworker who never gets tired, never complains, and can work alongside you to handle the most tedious and repetitive tasks. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Hello, Namaskar. Welcome to MindSync's weekly Wednesday podcast, Your Compliance Cult, where we dive deep into the world of compliance. As Wednesday arrives, so do we, with deep insights, engaging discussion, and a fresh perspective about compliance and law. Picture this. The early 2000s, we had flip phones, DVDs, and industrial robots ruling the factory floors. These robots were big, bulky, and not exactly the friendliest of co-workers. They needed their own space, complete with safety barriers, to keep humans safe from their powerful arms. Fast forward to today, and we have a new kid on the block. Collaborative robots, or Cobots. These robots are designed to work alongside humans, not replace them. Imagine having a robot buddy who can handle the tedious, repetitive, and sometimes dangerous tasks, leaving you to focus on the creative and complex stuff. It's like having a reliable assistant who never needs a coffee break. The rise of cobots started in the early 21st century. Unlike their industrial counterparts, cobots are smaller, lighter, and packed with safety features like force sensors, speed limits. They're kind of like the tech industry's version of a well-behaved toddler, always aware of their surroundings and ready to stop if something unexpected happens. Cobots are incredibly versatile. They can handle intricate tasks on assembly lines, load and unload materials from machines, perform quality control inspections, and even pack products for shipping. One of the biggest advantages of cobots is their ease of programming. You don't need a PhD in robotics to get them up and running. Many cobot feature user-friendly interface that allows operator to program them with minimal training. Now you might be thinking that this sounds great, but what about the cost? Sure, there's an initial investment, but the long-term benefits are significant. Cobots can increase productivity, improve product quality, and enhance worker safety, all while reducing downtime and labor cost. Of course, there are challenges. Cobots have a limited payload capacity compared to traditional industrial robots, which means they can't handle extreme heavy tasks. And while they are easy to program, they still require some level of technical expertise for more complex operations. But the industry is rapidly advancing, with ongoing research aimed at improving their intelligence and autonomy. Imagine a future where cobots are equipped with AI and machine learning capabilities, allowing them to learn and adapt in real time. We are talking about robots that can not only perform tasks, but also predict and prevent potential issues before they arise. In conclusion, cobots are reshaping manufacturing landscape, bringing in a new era of human-robot collaboration. They are not here to take over our jobs, but to make them safer, easier, and more efficient. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect cobots to become even more integral to our workplace, helping us achieve greater heights of productivity and innovation. That's all for today's episode. Thanks for tuning into MindSync's podcast. If you found this episode informative, don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the world of compliance and advisory services. Until next time, stay compliant, stay informed.